What's up, Sunflower family? I have been missing you. Okay, today I'm bringing you a Alipearl Vpart 22-inch Kinky straight wig. Say that 3 times, okay? Y'all know I prefer kinky straight textures just because it matches my hair a lot more seamlessly. This is a beautiful construction. Of course, you guys can see they did include clips. So these are like the clips that you would find on a clip-in, and there is also an adjustable band. There are plenty of combs, clips, adjustments, so you can get this baby fitting nice and snug the way you need to. And y'all can see this hair looks just like kinky afro coarse hair straightened out, and then of course, or more so blown out. And then of course there's just a ton of goodies in here. A lot of the stuff more so would be appropriate for like a wig. There is also a satin bag in case you want to take it on the go with you and you don't want to lug around a big box. Now y'all, I did actually straighten my hair recently, so that video will be posted on TikTok and Instagram. More than likely I'll post it as a short here as well. I had a collaboration with another company, so I'm really excited to share that with you. But it's been a week and about 2 days. I can't believe that my hair is still this straight, so I'm like, let me take advantage of it because why not? So obviously I'm really happy at the length, and I did go ahead and just pre-section my hair off into a middle part. Now the grip comb is what I used in another video to get my hair super straight, so I really just wanted to like use it again to get the kinky straight, okay? I wanted to use this product just because I knew that the combination of the Baby Bliss flat iron, which gets really hot, it is a titanium iron. I really wanted to be able to silk this hair out. Now, if you are not someone that cares about your kinky straight getting as straight as possible, that's okay. You can totally install it as it is. It gives more of like a straightened blowout look, or maybe even how your hair would look after a relaxer. If you're okay with that, I totally have other videos showing you how to style it. I did go in with like a curling rod, a curling wand, a couple of different times just to show you the versatility if you really want that volume and the fullness. Now, a 24-inch is a bit long, so I definitely did not want this to be overly bulky. So you guys can see the flat iron did a great job. Y'all, look at how smooth and soft the hair got. I did go ahead and just pre-cut a few layers because why not? So the hair actually, I wasn't sure if it was like a 1B or a jet black, but it was really dark, and it did actually match my hair. If y'all don't know, I do actually color my hair, so I don't use like permanent dyes. I use a semi-permanent rinse. If y'all have not seen videos on me doing that, I definitely have it linked on my channel as well, so just kind of go through and do a quick little search and you would definitely find it. And I typically like to leave a little bit less hair out than I did in this situation, and so I opted out of doing braids. I don't know why I decided to leave out this much hair. I truly didn't need to do it, but anyway, I have about 1.5 inches of leave out, and I did not want to do the whole cornrow method. This is a lazy girl method, okay? If you are looking to extend your healthy natural hair, then this is definitely going to be a great alternative if you don't want to do a sew-in, the micro links, the clip-ins. So if you really want to have a style that is reliable, you only have to really style it one time, put it on, take it off, and go as freely as you please, then I highly recommend you get a Vpart. I know a lot of times you guys ask me a ton of questions when I do the quick weaves, and y'all are always like, Chrissy, like, how long do you leave this in? Is it versatile? Can I reuse it? Yes, you actually can reuse a quick weave, not in the latest ways that I've shown you to install it, because that sealant does cause a slip, to make the removal a little bit easier. So what I recommend you do is just go ahead and get you a Vpart unit. If you don't want to use this texture, you don't have to. They do have a ton of other options as well, from body wave to silky straight. But for me, it just blends in with my natural hair so much easier. And literally, I cannot make this up how quick of an install it was. I literally just slid those combs into place, locked those babies down, and then the combs that we had on the side, I just pushed those in as well. Y'all can see just how long the hair is, okay? If you want this to be even more believable, I recommend getting it maybe about 2 or 3 inches longer than your natural hair. Y'all can see I did not have to do anything to my edges. I'm in a space of like, do my edges always have to be laid? Like, let's talk about that. Like, what's the reason for it? And like, that doesn't always have to be the case. So as of lately, I've been going back and forth in between just like silk pressing my hair out and not making my edges lay down with the baby hair and having it overly straight. And I've just really been enjoying the natural look of it. So I decided to throw a couple curls in it. Y'all know I love a good face frame, and today was no different. I actually did it with the flat iron. You could totally use a 1 inch or a 2 inch curling rod if you see fit. And I decided to just follow this around the face frame because, again, I did go ahead and just add a couple layers. I even did it towards like the very tips of the hair too, because I wanted it to have that like soft look, but I did not want this to be overly curled, right? Because y'all know curls do add volume. So I wanted to keep the length and then of course just add a little bit more of a face frame, because sometimes a middle part on me can be a little bit harsh and just like, I don't know. So anyway, I did want to go ahead and just show y'all the blend. I was super happy with just how easy this was to put on, and y'all know I'm straight out of the door, okay? If you want to add a little bit of hairspray, feel free to do it, okay? Don't be shy. You definitely can. It'll help your curls last even longer, especially if you are like me and you know, like, I'm not going to do the cornrows. I want to be able to put this baby on and take it off, okay? I am the girl that when I walk through that door, the shoes are coming off, the wig is coming off. Like, I just want to walk around in my do-rag. I really do. Like, that's the thing. So I'm just showing you how quick and easy it is to just take this baby off. Not only will you not have to deal with the tension from the combs, but you are able to rewrap your hair so that you don't have to put a ton of heat on it and worry about, you know, having heat damage and all that. But I did have to run a couple errands, so I decided to just put my hair in a quick little bun, ponytail. It's not even a bun, it's a ponytail. And I'm using a scrunchie because it's less tension. I don't have to worry about the breakage. That's it. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so much. Stay pretty. And of course, I will see y'all in my very next video.